Hey guys, in this video I will show you the top 24 programs to recover deleted data. These programs can recover all your deleted data. Alright, so the first one is Wondershare Recoverit. This free data recovery software serves various data loss situations to help you get data back. This software can help you recover your lost, deleted, formatted, or even corrupted files. The next one is EaseUS Data Recovery. This Mac file recovery software recovers all your deleted files from any Mac device. This software can recover photos, videos, audios, documents, Word, Excel, Keynote, and more. EaseUS Data Recovery software for Mac is an award-winning Mac file recovery software. Alright, the next one is Drill Media Recovery. Drill Media Recovery is the most user-friendly data recovery app for Mac. Drill can recover your lost pictures and photos, music, documents, apps, videos, and other data. Drill Media Recovery is developed by CleverFiles, a well-known brand in data recovery apps for many years now. The next one is Tenorshare Data Recovery for Mac. Here is another data recovery tool for your Mac that can help you get your data back after accidental deletion. It provides a real-time preview of the recoverable data so you can easily select which files to restore. Alright, the next one is iSkysoft Data Recovery. iSkysoft Data Recovery lets you preview lost files before they are recovered. Help you recover data at your pace and quickly find the files you need. This program allows you to recover deleted photos, videos, music, documents, and more. Alright, the next one is ApeakSoft Data Recovery. Whether you mistakenly deleted some important files or lost data due to hard drive formatted or a system crash, data loss will no longer be your biggest nightmare. ApeakSoft Data Recovery offers professional solutions to handle various data loss issues. It can help you recover all types of data from Mac, recycle bin, memory card, and more. Alright, the next one is FonePaw Data Recovery. Quick and deep scan your computer to retrieve deleted images, videos, audios, emails, documents, and more from hard drives, including recycle bin. Alright, the next one is SIDM Data Recovery. SIDM Data Recovery for Mac can help you to recover lost valuable data like documents, emails, videos, music, photos, and lost partitions from any Mac-supported data storage media, including internal, external hard drives, USB drives, SD card, optical media, memory cards, digital cameras, mobile phone, and more. Alright, the next one is any MP4 Data Recovery. Any MP4 Data Recovery is a professional and safe data recovery software. It can help you restore almost all lost files like photos, documents, emails, and more from computer drive, flash drive, memory card, mobile phone, or camera easily. Alright, the next one is Minitool Mac Data Recovery. Minitool Mac Data Recovery can recover photos, music, videos, documents, and other types of data from Mac computer or other storage devices. This Mac data recovery software is fast, safe, and easy to use. Alright, the next one is Subtitles Mac Data Recovery. Subtitles can recover lost files from internal and external hard drives. This software can be included among the best data recovery software, and even though it's not so well known, it deserves a try in case of accidental file loss, but mind the limited set of supported file types. Alright, the next one is Data Rescue 5 for Mac. Data Rescue 5 is a data recovery tool for Mac. It can recover data from your hard drives as well as external drives, SD cards, and more. Alright, the next one is M3 Mac Data Recovery. M3 Data Recovery is free data recovery software for Mac. It has the ability to recover files deleted from your trash bin and can be used on your computer's internal drives as well as most peripheral devices. Alright, the next one is EaseUS Mac Data Recovery. EaseUS Data Recovery offers users a free method of recovering deleted files from Mac. You can use the tool to recover from damaged or deleted partitions. This software allows you to restore data from a variety of external devices. Alright, the next one is Stellar Phoenix Mac Data Recovery. Stellar Phoenix Mac Data Recovery software is designed to recover deleted files with original file names. Recovers lost data like photos, videos, audios, and more. Alright, the next one is Data Recovery Essential Pro. Data Recovery Essential is a fresh, constantly updated. It also comes with the free daily recovery of up to 100 megabytes. That's perfect if you lost a document or two and need a quick data recovery session right away. Alright, the next one is RStudio for Mac. This software can recover deleted data from all types of file systems using advanced scanning algorithms and can restore formatted partitions and drives. The next one is Togethershare Data Recovery. Togethershare Data Recovery gives Mac users an easy and quick way to recover deleted or lost data on Mac. Lots of Mac users lose important data due to accidental deletion or erasure. But the data is not lost forever. With reliable Mac data recovery software like Togethershare Data Recovery, the Mac users can easily recover lost data. The next one is Do Your Data Recovery Professional. Reliable and safe Mac data recovery software can help you easily and quickly recover lost files from Mac. It can not only recover deleted, formatted, inaccessible data, but also retrieve lost data from deleted or lost volumes, partitions. Just within 3 simple steps, you can get all lost files back. Alright, the next one is EaseUS Data Recovery. This software can recover deleted, lost files like photos, documents, emails, audios, videos, and more. Restore from computer, hard drive, flash drive, memory card, digital camera, and more. Alright, the next one is ApeakSoft Data Recovery. IP Data Recovery can recover data due to accidental deletion, formatting drive, partition, virus infection, and most other reasons on your Mac, USB devices, hard drive, and many other storage devices. Alright, the next one is Guru Mac Data Recovery. The software's new simplified interface lets users browse their deleted files and recover them by file type. It's all very intuitive and simple to use. Alright, the next one is TechTool Pro. TechTool Pro is a tool designed to allow a user to test and repair a number of problematic conditions that you may experience with your Mac. This software can also recover deleted files. Alright, the last one is OnTrack Easy Recovery for Mac. You can use either its quick or deep scan feature to identify and restore files that are hard to recover. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.